Okay, one of these should be mine. There it is. Oh, it does come in the wires. Nice. There it is. I like the looks of it. It's one of those that, you know, you can put your own label on. You know, like we have a custom alarm around here, so they put their label there. Or California Bay Alarm would have their label. In fact, that's where I saw this first. Didn't see it in person, but I saw it in their brochure. Because, you know, when my sister and her husband and that, when they got their system, you know, they were given this brochure that had several different keypads on it. So it had this one, then the one they had, which is this one. The sticker came off. I guess on the move or whatever. Then they had the higher tier one, which is this one. If you've never seen the display for this one, it's got the LEDs under each character. And there are a couple of DSC keypads that it had too. Anyway, coming back to this Security Command Executive Series, well, I've kind of been on the lookout for. I have not seen one of these installed. But as you can see, though, it's got the VFD, not Murata, but what do you call it? Futaba, that's what it is. So it's got the same display as, you know, on my Radionics and ITI. Except these don't have that greenish filter that this one does. And the one that was in the Bay Alarm brochure had the Security Command Executive Series 2. Then there was a listing that had a whole bunch of different fire alarm parts that had one labeled Simplex in this area. All right, let's see. Should clean it too. It looks like they tried to pry it open. Well, I think they mentioned that in the listing. It's still in really good shape. Yeah, let's see. Again, let's see how you get this open. Well, with the Radionics here. Oh, I think this thing's here. There we go. TI chip there. There, you can focus now. There's your little piezo. This actually does look a lot like the inside of this one. Yeah, let's see. Here we go. Finally got it open. As you can see, they do kind of look the same. Yeah, as you can see the blue filters there. Show you the back of that. As you can see, though, they look a lot alike, so I wonder if this was like a rare variant of a Radionics detector keypad. Let's see if I can find out. Oh, it's their own brand. So that's their own brand of keypad. Nice. But you can definitely see the inspiration from Radionics, because Radionics has that metal thing too. I'm glad it has the wire though. Let's see if you'll be able to see it. Because it's going to want to, there, maybe. I heard something. Let's see, I saw something on the display. I'm not sure if you guys did. It doesn't beep at me. Service required. Yeah, let's see. I like it. Well, that wire nut failed. Nothing else works, and I'm not sure if there's a backlight or not. Nope. Well, actually, let's see. No, not really. I was thinking the display kind of acted as a backlight. It's brighter than what I can see. And the phone's making it more cloudy, if you will. You know, like I said, it doesn't beep. It's still very cool though. I like it a lot. I've been wanting one of these. I've been after one of these for a little while. And I saw the one in that fire alarm lot and I thought, is it worth it to get that whole thing just for that keypad? I mean, there were a couple other things that I would have liked there too, but still. Then I saw this one. Now I was happy to find out that it had the wires. I've got it hooked up to 12 volts now. As you can see, the keypad's glowing. And the display is about as bright as it was on 9-volt batteries. I like this display. I don't know if there's any fire alarm panels that use it. And I'm not talking about like the radionics that use the keypad in front of it. I mean one that's integrated into the panel itself. I know there's ones that use the VFD dot matrix display like the FCID, I think that's what it's called. And I know there's keypads that use the VFD dot matrix too. There's like a GE one that does. Yeah, I'm not sure if there's any panels that use this integrated. Oh, those old simplex ones that use a red, 16 segment, 14 segment display. There might be. Now this actually came from California, which is like I said, where Steph's were. We came from Oakdale, and we went through there once on our way back from Steph's to, well, not here, but Austin. And if I remember right, it was like a single head Sentry or Sterling type head, or Siren type head. Yeah, pretty cool though. I like it. But as you can see, the power light isn't on because it's not receiving any data communication. Yeah, I really like it. Well, there you go, folks. Thanks for watching.